नमस्ते दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है साडास्टर्स क्लासेस में। आज हम क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड से एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने वाले हैं। सो एज वी नो दैट क्वांट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पोर्शन इन एनी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन एंड इट इज़ द मोस्ट हाई स्कोरिंग ऑल्सो। तो इस पोर्शन में हाई स्कोर करना ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं है, क्योंकि इट रिक्वायर्स ओनली योर कंप्यूटेशनल एंड बेसिक मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स। ओके, so let's see what is in this question. We are given an equation, and from this equation we need to find the value of x. So here we have 3x plus 6 divided by 8 minus 11x minus 8 divided by 24 plus x plus 3 divided by 3x minus 4 minus x plus 7 divided by 24. तो सबसे पहले हम x वाले टर्म्स को लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में एंड कांस्टेंट टर्म्स को राइट हैंड साइड में ले जाएंगे. Therefore we get 3x by 8 minus 11x divided by 24 plus x divided by 3 minus 3x by 4 plus x divided by 24. And in the right hand side we get minus 7 by 24 minus 8 by 24 minus 6 by 8. Now if we take x common in the left hand side, therefore we get 3 by 8 minus 11 by 24 plus 1 by 3 minus 3x minus 3 by 4 plus 1 by 24. And in the right hand side, if we adjust the numerators and turn it to 24, hence we get 24 minus 7 minus 8 minus 18, and this results in 18 plus 7 25 minus 33 divided by 24. And in right hand side we get, similarly, if we adjust the numerators, turning into 24, we get 9 divided by 24 minus 11 by 24 minus 8 divided by 24 minus 18 divided by 24 plus 1 by 24 is equals to minus 33 by 24. And after some computation we get 24 into minus 11, and if we cancel 24, therefore we get x is equals to 3. So the correct answer is 3. Now let's check another question. So this is the next question. The surface area of two spheres are in the ratio 1:16. Okay, this is given that the surface area of two spheres are in ratio 1:16. Then we have to find the ratio of their radius. So first of all, we assume that R1 and R2 be the radius of the surfaces, the two spheres. Okay, let R1 and R2 be the radius of two spheres respectively. And as we know, the formula for surface area is equals to 4 pi r square, where r is the radius of any sphere. Then here we get the surface areas of sphere 1 is equals to 4 pi r1 square, and sphere 2 it is 4 pi r2 square. Now by the question the ratio of surface areas of the two spheres is equals to 1:16. Hence r1 square divided by r2 square is equals to 1/16. Hence r1 divided by r2 is equals to 1/4. Then r1 is to r2 is 1:4. Hence our required answer is the option D. Now let's check another question. So this is the next question. If the population of a town is 64,000 and its annual increase is 10%, then its current population at the end of 3 years will be what? We need to find it. So this is a question basically based on compound interest. As we know that at the end of each year the population size changed. Therefore, we can say that this is a problem based on compound interest. But before started with the solution of this problem, we need to know the concept of compound interest in a brief way. Okay, suppose P be the principal amount of anything. Suppose a population, principal amount of population. Okay. Now, for the first year, the increase in population is PR divided by 100. Therefore, the population becomes P plus PR divided by 100, or we can write P into 1 plus R divided by 100. Now, at the starting of the next year, the principal amount becomes P into 1 plus R divided by 100. Now, the increase in population at the next year is, now this is the principal amount into R divided by 100, and the total population at the end of second year becomes P into 1 plus R divided by 100. Now if we take P into 1 plus R divided by 100 at common, we get again 1 plus R divided by 100. Or we can write P into 1 plus R divided by 100 square. Now in this way, if we proceed, we can write that the population of town at the end of any year, the population of town at the end of n year is equals to P into 1 plus R divided by 100 whole to the power n. Now here P is given as 64,000. R is equals to 10% and n is 3 year. Therefore, it reduces to 64,000. 1 plus 10% means 10 divided by 100 whole to the power 3. Okay, now we get 64,000. Here we get 11 divided by 10 whole cube, and this results in 85,184. Okay, so option C is the correct answer. So we have solved this problem, and that's all for today. If you want to know more about quants and want to know the tricks to solve this question in faster way, then you can drop a message in these numbers. These are the contact numbers of ours: 9836793076 and 9874822756. And for further details, you can also check our website, which is www.saurasclasses.com. Thank you very much.